What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kasey, and I'm back again with another YouTube video. This one I'm just kind of like previewing my online store opening up. So if you guys follow me on Instagram at the Kasey Freeman, then you would know that I have started an online boutique. It's called Live Case. That stands for Live Classy and Sexy Every Day. The Instagram is Live Case Boutique. And I'm currently working on my website, but I'm also working on getting stuff ready for like shipping as well. So yeah, I wanted to kind of show you what I have gotten so that I can make business smooth when I start. And I'll put the prices and the links down below. They're not affiliate links. These are genuinely just links that have helped me. But I decided to open up an online boutique because I absolutely love fashion and I love clothes, and I love like how clothes help you express yourself. And growing up, I went to a school here in Nashville, Tennessee, where you had to wear a uniform, and I absolutely hated it. I actually cried because of the uniform and because I was leaving my best friend, but because like I was like, man, like I went from going to school where I did not have to worry about wearing a uniform to now I have to look like everybody else. And so coming up with different ways to be an individual was like my favorite thing to do at night, like getting ready for school the next morning. So now I don't always buy like luxury items, I will say. I do believe in a good thrift. But here recently, like one thing that I really like are like satin clothes. Like I feel so feminine like whenever I have on something satin or silk, and I feel like I'm just like classy, like just super classy. So one thing that I am still working on, I have dresses, two-piece sets that are satin material only, and pajamas as well. But I'm working on getting a signature Sunday self-care like robe, and I'm just trying to like really figure that out in my head of what will be on it, what it will look like, stuff like that. So I do have two different dresses, one two-piece that comes in multiple colors, and then one pajama set that comes in multiple colors as well. So I wanted to just getting right into this. Yeah, I just wanted to go for like my goals in 2021. And I had always wanted to open a store and have my own boutique and sell my own clothes. But I was going to wait until I was out of news. And now that I'm out of news, like I can do whatever I want to do. So I'm like going to go full force into this. And yeah, I did shop around for a wholesaler for my first collection. My first collection is a wholesale collection. Because I'm still working on designs for my next collection, and I really just wanted to work with them just to see who's best at customizing, who gets my order out fastest with the least amount of issues and different things like that. So I'll talk more about that in a different video, so be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you know when I do have these like business talk topics. So I just actually wanted to show you what I plan on using to help grow my business. So other than the actual like pieces, social media, and I actually have like a couple of clothing racks upstairs and some steamers upstairs to like steam my clothes, because when they come in, they're like super wrinkled, and like I'm like, I wouldn't want to look at this, so I'm not gonna have like my customers look at it. But another thing that I did get is like a scale, a clothing scale. And my friend who bought this from me was like, are you like trying to like do stuff illegal? And I was like, no sis. But it just measures stuff in ounces so that you know like what your shipping costs would be. So I have measured out all of my pieces with this, but then like as I go to package orders, if there are 2 or 3 different pieces that they are ordering, then that helps me get the most accurate shipping price to make sure that the label, you know, there's enough funds to go on about its way. And I did get this off of Amazon. Well, this was a gift for me off of Amazon. I put it in my cart and said, this is what I want for my birthday. And I think it was like $27, I want to say. So that's this. So then another thing that I also did get is a pack of shipping labels. And this came with 200 labels with 100 sheets. It's 100 sheets with 2 labels. So here's one label and here's another label. And then they are adhesive, so they come with the stickers. I already have a printer here as well where I'm gonna just print off my labels and then have them ready to go. And this was also off of Amazon. I think this was like $12 for these. And then I had these from for a while. Like, I don't even know where I got them from. Staples, I think. But they're just like some stickers that I'm going to use. I might use. Let me not say I'm going to use. I'm going to see how they look on the package. But it may have like my logo on it, just to hold everything together. Like whenever I put them in bags and then I need a sticker to put the bag on there, I may have a label there. My mom has some cardstock that I'm gonna use for my promo codes that are gonna go into there as well. My thank you for shopping, my promo code, so you can get a discount for returning shopping. And I just have to get that and print that off and get it professionally printed off. But one thing that I'm so glad I didn't have to, I'm not spending money on right now are actual boxes. I got these from USPS, okay? It's 25 of them. And for those who do priority mail express shipping, then I have those boxes already ready to go. And this is just 25 of them. It came flat, so I'm about to open them for you. But it came flat. I don't want to show y'all that side. It came flat. It's 25 boxes, and they were actually free from USPS. Like, you have boxes here that you can use for free. All you have to do is literally just go online and order the box, and it comes right to your front door for free, for the free ski. Okay, don't go out and spend, let me not tell you what to do with your money, but I did not want to go out and spend money on custom boxes right now, because I just want to make sure that I'm staying in budget. But I didn't want to spend money on custom boxes just yet. But I do plan on getting custom boxes. But this is just so much easier for me right now. And get this, y'all. Here is like the kicker. So many people go and they go to the post office, right? And they have them print out their labels, and then they have them shipped from there, they take them there and ship them there. You can even schedule a time for pickup once you have like however many orders that you want to ship out or whatever, or even if it's just one order, you can literally go on USPS.com. Like, I need to be a poster child for the postal service, because anywho, you can literally go on their website and schedule a time for pickup. And when they come and drop off your mail, they can literally pick up your packages and have it go and do its thing. So you literally do not have to leave your house to ship packages at all. I literally had these boxes come to my house. I have my printer labels that I can just print off of my printer and my computer when I'm processing orders. And I'm sorry, y'all. I'm trying to see how this box works. Then I can literally pack my order, schedule a time for pickup, and meet my person outside during the time and say, thank you so much for your service. Appreciate you, big homie. And they take my packages and have them shipped to y'all. How convenient is that? Like, it's like so convenient that it doesn't even make sense that could be even allowed. But it is. You literally just go online. And for those of you who have never used the post office, I'll link that down below for you as well. But here's the box. And they even tell you which boxes are best to get for what. So they said, like, these boxes are best for clothing. They also have like bigger boxes that are best for like care packages. If you're sending stuff to someone like in the military, for instance, you can send bigger boxes and they will deliver those to you as well. So I'm just so excited that, first of all, some of the other YouTubers that I have seen to do research about starting it online kind of pointed me in the right direction, and then I took the time out to sit here and research like what all I can do for free, because it helps with budget, it helps with creating, like being able to put your money elsewhere where you actually need it, like a website and your logo and your scale if you don't have one, like all of that stuff. Like you can buy that instead of spending your money frivolously. And yeah, so there's that on me getting my business started. And if you guys do have any tips, please don't hesitate to drop those in the comment box below, not just for me, but for other like entrepreneurs that are trying to get their business started, because there's enough money to be made out here for everybody, and there's no reason to be selfish with knowledge. So let's just band together as this great, classy community with K's, of course, and help each other out. So thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That helps me out a lot so that other people can see this content. Don't forget to like and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss this video whenever I upload. And follow me on the socials. My social handle is @Kasey Freeman on all social media sites. My real estate social media is on Facebook. And that's Closing with Kasey with K's. And then the boutique, my new baby, is Live Case Boutique, and it's spelled correctly here, and that's the name on Instagram and on Facebook as well. And then I'll also link my Shopify down below. Okay, so I know that was a lot, but thank you guys so much for watching, and I will be back again with another video about like how I took my pictures for my website by myself. They're not the best pictures, but they will do for now, because I did not want to do an extensive photo shoot without having all my pieces, and some of my pieces were late to make the photo shoot, but I still have to do this drop. So I'll explain all of that in the next video, but thank you. See you soon.